Hey, welcome to the show. If you're looking for a phone case to protect your iPhone 7, 8, or 2022, then SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro is the case for you. I really like this phone case. I've been using these type of phone cases for years. They really protect the camera lens around here. Take a look at that beveled edge. So if you keep your phone on the counter and you're moving it around, you're not going to scratch that camera lens. Also the screen, you have a beveled edge around the side here. So it just keeps that screen above the counter. This comes with a built-in screen protector right here, and this has a holster, so you can just snap your phone in here, and then you can keep this on your belt loop or your pants. Usually you'll keep the screen inside there like that. So double protection, very solid. This is great if you're going to be doing some extreme sports or walking around outside. But you can also keep it like that, and you could hit the record button and do some selfies and be kind of creative on how you want to use this belt holster. But if you don't want to use that, you can just slip this in your pocket. Nice grip. I love it. The buttons, very easy to access. Everything about SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro is professional and protecting your phone case in all the right areas. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. I'd sure appreciate it if you hit that likey button down there. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.